Hey guys, this is Down for My Cranes. If you don't know what this song is, this is the song that they play before the kickoff, before the start of the game. So, the one thing you haven't seen before are these kind of notes. For most of you, you haven't seen these kind of notes. These kind of notes are called 16th notes. Okay, so they're twice as fast as eighth notes. Okay, so when you count eighth notes, like these two, you would say the number and then te. Okay. Now, what we do with 16th notes is we basically add a note here and we add a note here. So after each thing. Okay. Now, so when you count this particular one, when you count it, you're going to go 1, te, ta, 2, te, 3, ta, te, 4. Okay. I'm going to say that a couple of times so you can practice getting it with me. So this is, if we were going like this fast, 1, te, ta, 2, te, 3, ta, te, 4. Okay? Let's do it two more times. Ready, and go. 1, te, ta, 2, te, 3, ta, te, 4. Do it again. Ready, last time, and go. 1, te, ta, 2, te, 3, ta, te, 4. Okay? And that's the same rhythm for basically every single measure. Okay? The only difference is that it changes notes in between. Okay? Now that you know how to count it, what you need to do is you need to work on making sure you watch your key signature. Okay, so like for example, this is the saxophone one for Down for My Cranes. They have one sharp. Okay. The other thing you're gonna have to watch out for is this as well. Okay. When you have that, that carries through the entire measure. Okay, so that means that this note is sharp, this note is sharp, that note sharp, that note sharp, that note sharp. Okay. And then likewise, over here, when you have a flat here, that means this note is flat, that note's flat, that note's flat, that note's flat, that note's flat, and then these three are flat. But when you get here, that's a natural sign, okay? So that means that it cancels out the flat, all right? So instead of having all of these B flats for saxophone, all of a sudden, the very last note becomes B natural, okay? Now, for Down for My Cranes, it's the same thing every four measures, okay? So it's repeated 3 times. So this is 1 time. That's 2 times. And then that's 3 times. It's not really highlighting. There you go. And then the last note, okay? So if you have any questions or about how it's supposed to go or anything, just let me know and I will help you, okay? I'm going to play a little bit. I'm going to play the first 4 measures for you so that you can hear what it sounds like, okay? Here's what it sounds like. So if we're going to go this fast. Okay, so that's that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later.